This is Cheryl Geisler for Coding Streams of Language. Today we're looking at MAXQDA Procedure 5.5, making a table of agreements and disagreements for MAXQDA data. Here we'll be working with intercoder agreement data from MAXQDA that has been exported to Excel. Here we'll be working with two coders' decisions for which item-by-item agreement has already been calculated in the column labeled Agreement. Now we want to make a table of agreements and disagreements to show where they agreed and disagreed. I begin by making sure that there is nothing in the three columns except the coding decisions and the agreement calculations. I then select these three columns. Under Data on the menu, I use the Summarize with Pivot Table command to create a pivot table. In the pop-up window, I choose to use the defaults for the data range and for where to place the pivot table, which is a new worksheet. Now I see a new worksheet with new and empty pivot table to the left and a pane on the right-hand side with pivot table fields. First, I select and drag first coder's name to the columns field. Next, I select and drag second coder's name to the rows field. Third, I drag the agreement value to the values field. Finally, in the values field, if necessary, I change the function from sum to count. I click OK. After I close the pivot table pane, I can see my table of agreements and disagreements in the worksheet. To learn more, visit the WAC Clearinghouse at the link on your screen to download Coding Streams of Language for free.